Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of the Open House. I'm your designer Carmen Tang of Woof. To reinvent the term modern luxe, because modern luxe is usually very typical, but I didn't want to do anything that's typical or yawn-inviting. So now this whole take is a very different take from how usually IDs will approach modern luxe. This is a 4-room BTO flat in Bidadari, a very sought after but young estate. Okay, so one of the unique features that I came up with for this house, right, is the feature wall. What I've done is have the artificial wall, but yet we have light installation on it that makes it look like it's a wall of speakers. It looks deceivingly like a sound speaker wall, but actually it's a light wall, which lights up this space very nicely and it looks super sexy. Young homeowners, and it's their first home. They are nice, considerate, smart, and very into innovation and creativity. They told me they want something that is very, very different and came up with this direction, which I think will suit them well. They really don't want anything that's typical. People who are caring and understand where you're coming from, this is like, my dream client. My client wants to incorporate a projector system, and he wants the house to be smart home. Since it's their first home, I told them, picture speaks 1,000 words. Just show me whatever pictures you can find. They came up with a whole very nicely polished presentation slide to show me what they're looking for in their house. And then that will give me a better picture of what they're looking for. They are very game to embrace interesting designs. They still have practical concerns that they cannot oversee. So my job was to balance these two. One is Bimbo Carmen. It's one alter ego that makes sure that all things pretty will go into the house. But at the same time, there's also pragmatic Carmen. So these two are constantly fighting. My job is to make sure that this two is a very balanced view. What I'm trying to do is to maximize the space that we can free up by removing existing walls so that we can better reconfigure the space and maximize it. For example, the walk-in wardrobe is walk-in through the master bedroom in order to make the space work for them.